Welcome to our 8-Bit Journey channel, fun video about construction tools and equipment. We'll show you cool tools like wrenches, rulers, and cones, and introduce you to awesome machines like bulldozers, cranes, and clay trucks. Put on your hard hat and let's get building. Wrench. A wrench is a tool used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. It's like a superhero who saves the day by fixing things. Ruler. A ruler is a tool used to measure the length or width of an object. It helps us ensure things are the right size and allows us to draw straight lines. Spanner. A spanner is a tool used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. It's like a friendly giant who helps us fix things that are too tough for a wrench. Cone. A cone is a fun and colorful shape that's pointy at the top and wide at the bottom. Think of an ice cream cone, a traffic cone, or a party hat. Hammer. A hammer is a tool to hit nails into wood or other materials. It's like a musical instrument that creates a rhythm for the building. Before we continue, please consider subscribing to our channel. It's quick and easy, just hit that subscribe button below and you'll never miss a video. Are you ready? On my count, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, hit that subscribe button now. Vest. A vest is a sleeveless piece of clothing that you wear over your shirt. It can be bright and colorful and helps you be seen from afar. Hard hat. A hard hat is a helmet that you wear on your head to protect yourself from falling objects. It's like a superhero's shield that keeps you safe while you build amazing things. Goggles. Goggles and a face mask are protective gear that you wear over your eyes and mouth to keep them safe from dust, debris, or dangerous chemicals. It's like a cool disguise that keeps you safe on your adventures. Safety harness. A safety harness is a piece of equipment that you wear to keep you safe while working at high heights. It's like a superhero's cape that keeps you from falling. Safety gloves. Safety gloves are protective gear that you wear on your hands to keep them safe from cuts or burns. They're like a magic shield that keeps your hands safe while you build. Tool belt. A tool belt is a special belt that you wear around your waist to hold your tools. It's like a magical bag of holding that keeps all your devices close at hand. Blueprint. A blueprint is a plan or a drawing of a building or an object. It's like a treasure map that shows you how to build amazing things. Bricks. Bricks are rectangular building blocks made of clay or concrete. They're like puzzle pieces that you put together to create great structures. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for joining us to explore construction tools and equipment. Don't forget to like and subscribe 8-Bit Journey channel for more awesome videos. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.